Does your roof look a little worse for wear? Do you have high energy bills or notice water stains on your ceiling? It might be time for a roof replacement in Springfield, Ohio, and BCS Roofing and Solar is here to help. Your roof can last for decades, providing protection for your home and family. But constant exposure to the elements causes your roofing materials to wear down over time, eventually needing replacement. So how do you know if you need a simple repair or a roof replacement? We have some tips to help. Sagging surfaces, water stains, and peeling paint indicate you have water damage that can't be repaired. Curling, cracking, or missing shingles signal that your roof is nearing the end of its lifespan. The appearance of your roof can also indicate the need for replacement. If you notice a sagging, drooping, or wavy appearance, your roof is nearing its end. Moss, algae, and a sagging roof deck are also signs your roof is failing. Finally, take a look at your neighboring homes. If your house was built around the same time and your neighbors are investing in a new roof, problems with yours aren't too far behind. At BCS Roofing and Solar, we provide expert roof replacements for Springfield, Ohio homeowners. We'll inspect your roof and provide an honest assessment of its condition. If the time has come for a roof replacement on your Springfield, Ohio home, BCS Roofing and Solar is here to help. Call us today to get started.